Welcome to Travel with Damal Consult. London is one of the most iconic cities in the world, known for its rich history, diverse culture, and vibrant atmosphere. However, it's also one of the most expensive cities to visit. But don't worry, with some strategic planning and smart tips, you can explore London affordably without missing out on its charm and attractions. In this video, we'll share 20 budget travel hacks to help you make the most of your London adventure without breaking the bank. 1. Travel off-peak. One of the most effective ways to save money on your London trip is to travel during off-peak seasons. London's high season is typically from June to August, while the shoulder seasons spring, March to May, and autumn, September to November offer milder weather, fewer tourists, and lower prices on flights and accommodations. Winter December to February can also be cheaper, though you'll need to be prepared for cold weather and shorter daylight hours. 2. Book in advance. Booking your flights and accommodations well in advance can result in significant savings. Many airlines and hotels offer early bird discounts, so take advantage of these deals. Additionally, booking your tickets for popular attractions in advance can save you both time and money. 3. Stay in budget accommodations. London offers a variety of accommodations to fit every budget. Consider staying in budget hotels, hostels, or vacation rentals like Airbnb. Hostels are particularly cost-effective and often provide opportunities to meet other travelers. Look for accommodations in neighborhoods outside the central tourist areas, such as Camden, Greenwich, or Shepherd's Bush, which offer lower rates but are still well connected by public transport. 4. Use public transport. London has an extensive public transportation system, including buses, the Underground Tube, and trains. Purchase an Oyster card or use a contactless payment card for the cheapest fares on public transport. The daily fare cap ensures you won't spend more than a certain amount each day, making it an affordable way to get around the city. Avoid taxis and ride-sharing services, which can be expensive, especially during peak hours. 5. Walk and bike. London is a walkable city with many attractions located close to each other. Walking is free and allows you to explore hidden gems and local neighborhoods. For longer distances, consider using the city's bike-sharing scheme, Santander Cycles. You can rent a bike for as little as £2 for the first 30 minutes and drop it off at any docking station throughout the city. 6. Free attractions. London is home to numerous free attractions. Visit iconic landmarks such as the British Museum, the National Gallery, and the Tate Modern, all of which offer free entry. Other free attractions include the changing of the guard at Buckingham Palace, the Sky Garden, and the many beautiful parks and gardens, such as Hyde Park and Regent's Park. 7. Discounted attractions. For paid attractions, look for discounts and deals. The London Pass offers entry to over 80 attractions, including the Tower of London and the London Zoo, and includes skip-the-line privileges at many sites. Consider purchasing a combination ticket for multiple attractions to save money. Websites like Groupon and Time Out, London often have deals and discounts for tours, activities, and events.
Before we proceed further in this video, I kindly request just 1 minute of your time to introduce our books currently available for purchase on Amazon.com. We currently have 2 books on sale. The first book is titled Discover Abroad: Navigating Travel, Immigration, Study, and Employment Opportunities Abroad. Our second book is titled 450 Business Analyst Interview Questions and Answers: Ace Your Interview. These books are designed to help you expand your horizons, embrace new experiences, and unlock a world of possibilities. Additionally, the interview book can assist you in standing out from the competition and landing your dream job abroad. Simply click on the link provided in the description box of this video to order yours now.
8. Affordable eats. Dining out in London can be pricey, but there are plenty of affordable options. Look for local markets, such as Borough Market, Camden Market, and Portobello Road Market, where you can find a variety of delicious and reasonably priced food. Chain restaurants and cafes, like Pret a Manger, Greggs, and Wetherspoons, offer budget-friendly meals. Take advantage of lunch specials and set menus at restaurants, which are often more affordable than dinner. 9. Self-catering. Consider staying in accommodations with kitchen facilities so you can prepare some of your own meals. Shopping at local supermarkets like Tesco, Sainsbury's, and Lidl can save you money compared to dining out for every meal. This also gives you the opportunity to try local products and ingredients. 10. Free walking tours. Join a free walking tour to learn about London's history and culture from knowledgeable local guides. These tours are usually tip-based, so you can pay what you feel is fair. Popular free walking tours include the Sandeman's New London Tours, which cover major sites like Westminster, the South Bank, and the East End. 11. Use discount cards. If you're a student, senior, or traveling with children, take advantage of discount cards for reduced fares and entry fees. The 16-25 rail card, for example, offers discounts on train travel for young adults, while the Family and Friends rail card provides savings for groups. Many attractions offer discounted tickets for students and seniors, so always carry your ID and inquire about available discounts. 12. Explore alternative neighborhoods. While central London is full of famous sites, exploring alternative neighborhoods can provide a more affordable and authentic experience. Areas like Brixton, Shoreditch, and Hackney offer a vibrant cultural scene with eclectic markets, street art, and independent shops. These neighborhoods are often less expensive and provide a unique glimpse into local life. 13. Use free apps. Download free travel apps to help you navigate London efficiently. Apps like City Mapper provide real-time information on public transport routes and schedules, while Google Maps can help you find attractions, restaurants, and services nearby. Many attractions also have their own apps with detailed information and audio guides. 14. Stay connected for less. Instead of incurring expensive roaming charges, purchase a local SIM card or portable Wi-Fi device. Many cafes, restaurants, and public spaces offer free Wi-Fi, so take advantage of these hotspots to stay connected without the high cost. 15. Affordable theater tickets. London's West End is famous for its world-class theater productions, but tickets can be expensive. To save money, visit the TKTS booth in Leicester Square for discounted same-day tickets. Apps like Todatix also offer last-minute deals and lotteries for popular shows. Many theaters offer day seats, a limited number of front-row tickets sold at a reduced price on the day of the performance. 16. Free events and festivals. London hosts numerous free events and festivals throughout the year. The Notting Hill Carnival, London's New Year's Day Parade, and the Thames Festival are just a few examples. Check the Londonist or Time Out London websites for up-to-date information on free events happening during your visit. 17. Museums and galleries. In addition to the British Museum and National Gallery, London has many other museums and galleries that offer free entry. The Natural History Museum, the Science Museum, and the Victoria and Albert Museum are great options for families. Art lovers will enjoy the Tate Britain and the Saatchi Gallery, both of which have impressive collections and temporary exhibitions. 18. Stay in hostels. Modern hostels in London offer clean, safe, and affordable accommodation options with amenities like free breakfast and social events. Hostels are a great choice for budget travelers and provide opportunities to meet other travelers. Many hostels offer private rooms in addition to dormitory-style accommodations, allowing for more privacy while still keeping costs low. 19. Picnic and parks. London's parks are perfect for picnics. Pick up fresh bread, cheese, and fruit from a local market or supermarket and enjoy a relaxing meal in one of the city's beautiful green spaces. Popular picnic spots include Hyde Park, Regent's Park, and Greenwich Park, which also offer stunning views of the city. 20. Free concerts and performances. London offers many free concerts and performances throughout the year. The South Bank Centre, St. Martin in the Fields, and various churches around the city host free or donation-based concerts. Additionally, street performers in Covent Garden and along the South Bank provide entertainment at no cost. With these 20 budget travel hacks, you can make the most of your London adventure without breaking the bank. From finding affordable accommodations and using public transport to taking advantage of free attractions and events, there are many ways to enjoy London on a budget. Subscribe to Travel with Damal Consult for more travel tips, guides, and inspiration for your next adventure. Happy travels!